So first of all, gratitude to my parents and values they have given. After that, I'm really grateful for Infinity Karthik sir, who has really pushed me to attend this program. I was very reluctant. I could not join RYB 8 program because of my commitments of the batches, but he has given me special permission to attend. I used to see the recordings and I have got a great team of young warriors, that is Salahuddin, Prabhunath Pandey and Nitish, and we all are rocking. So I'm going to start my vision board, but I would like to start with sharing what, you can see it?
Yes.
But I would like to tell like this only. Yes. Starting with that, as he introduced, my name is Dr. Mekhla. And I'm known as MK Shivani. Basically, I come from a third generation dentist. I became a dentist by default, but I'm retired from my profession in 2014 to follow my personal freedom and follow my passion. I'm also nutrigenomics consultant. I have set up different vehicles and systems so that my basic lifestyle is taken care of. And I'm passionately there as a lifestyle coach. And here is I would like to show from here. You can see it from their slide share, but I would like to hold. So this is my beautiful, I have done my vision boards. I have gone through this process. So this was not new for me, but I'm really grateful for the atmosphere RYB program has given, and it has helped me. I have just recently finished my vision board of January 2021. I do it every year, but this team and this program has pushed me to do at very micro level. So I'm very excited to share. So this is my vision. I'm known as a woman of substance. So my mission is, I'm known as a woman of substance with strong character, with peak health and radiant glowing skin, spring on steps, sparkling eyes with a mental serenity, having a superb family and professional life, creating everlasting wealth. But I'm here to contribute to the human empowerment, to unleash the inner potential of each and every person which I come in contact with, and allow them to lead a life full of courage, joy, just bliss till last breath of life. And my particular mission is I want to help 10,000 souls to unleash their potential and lead a life of zest and bliss till last breath of life. And my vision is I will be known as a compassionate global transformer, transforming 1 billion of people through various media channels, through my events, through my workshop, through my books, online courses, whatever is possible, webinars and everything, and getting everlasting wealth of $1 trillion net worth. This was very big for me 20 years back, but now it is becoming very near $1 trillion net worth, and attaining Krishna consciousness at the age of 101, giving 50% charity to the society with the surrender, belief, trust of the universe, and where I will be contributing into different charity. So my top 10 goals are: first, the personal freedom, my journey from financial dependence to financial survival, to the stability, to the financial comfort. Now I'm going for independence and financial abundance. Top 10 goals are I am working on my core values. If I work on my core values and code of honor, I know everything will come by default. So I work on first one is, my first core value is the personal freedom. Then comes the commitment. Then comes the integrity. Then comes making a difference in people's life, creativity, passion, abundance and gratitude, and so many things. Top 10 are personal freedom. Then comes 12 multiple sources of income, development, bank balance of 5 crores of portfolio, 5 BHK, chef and a chauffeur, and then world tour, car and caravan for me. Whatever I am having, that is upgradation. The second ice cream is coming to me, and the online courses and the charity, and the last one is the moksha. So I don't want to go into detail. You can see my images. First is starting with the health. So I have divided all the goals. First is the health and also spiritual goals. Then comes, which is indicates the green color. Then comes the money, income and wealth creation, which comes the red color. With every area, I have got 10 micro goals. Then one is family and relationships and also possessions, which is not for me, which is for the family. Then comes your travel and experiences goal. Then comes my business goals. Then comes my contribution. So here I want to talk more about my contribution and how I'm going to generate money. The money generation is first. I know that my dental income is coming, my nutrigenomics income is coming, my royalty income is coming, my books and social media monetization, online courses and events and virtual events. And the main is the smart investment and the smart money management, which will allow me to get all my goals when I focus on my purpose, that is the contribution. And my contribution is, already I started at the age of 19, a foundation for the red light area, that is prostitutes rehabilitation by the help of Snehalaya, where I'm giving 5%. I'm not able to give more, but it has given a big one. I want to work on my grandfather's SK Kulkarni Educational Trust. One is the orphanage, one is the Annapurna Trust, and I want to give 10,000 food, clothes, shelters to the single woman, because I am in a single parent. I am blessed with my 21-year-old son now, where I have grown him from the age of 7 months. I'm also going to do a rehabilitation trust, where the critical ill patients, they have everything they have, but they don't have anyone to take care of. Then also teenager counselors and Down syndromes, and also a single parents association where we'll be helping. And in that, I will be doing all my incomes and everything will come by default. You can say health, because of the time I'm not going to go, because then another one is I want to experience the skiing, snorkeling, skydiving, bungee jumping, golf, piano learning, and classical dance. And my crazy dream is I want to dance at the age of 60 from the stage 12 hours continuously with a sacred atmosphere for the 3 days, where everybody will be sitting and everybody will be praying and manifesting the things. I could see that crazy dream, because when I saw somebody at the age of 6 doing like this, and that is there. So I will be doing it was 60th birthday. Now, if I got time, I would like to explain my health goals. The health goals, I wake up at 3:30 a.m. I am doing my yoga and stretch exercises and pranayama. I am doing 5 kilometers of walking. I am doing sun salutation. My goal is 101 salutation. I'm working for 10K, but now I want to work for 21K. I'm also expert in the mandala, and I'm going to form a divine pyramid center in my area, Dharma, Kama, Moksha. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. And I am going to moksha at the age of 101 with the Krishna consciousness. And everything will come. The money you can see how is, I have got a calculation also how I will be giving my money, 1 million a year when I will sell my products. How many products with how many dollars, and you can see the different investment portfolio. Currency is coming from the different areas of countries. You can see international currency, you can see different notes also, you can see my digital locker, digital cash machine, and different ways of making money. Then here are my wealth and possession. So I have specification in my new house. I have got already one house, the new house, where I'm going to welcome my son's bride, where I'll have my own wardrobe and different bookshelf and different kitchen cabinet, my spa chair, and this is my Audi purple color, and this is the Mercedes of peacock turquoise blue to my son, and this is all different possessions, diamonds and silver. I'm not very fond of gold and jewelry, but definitely as an investment, I like gold and only one diamond set. Morely, I want to invest into the charity work. That's what I am born for, and I am able to raise a son from 7 months to 21-year-old. God has given me so much of power and purpose in life. And that's why my main purpose of this life is to give food, clothes, shelter to 10,000 women minimum, so that they will not feel helpless and powerless when their family does not support. I was blessed to be supported with my parents, but I have seen that how other people feel, even if they have got a lot of money, even they have got a lot of relationships and all that, but if they don't have a mental support, they are just broken off. So I want to help those needy and powerless ladies who are single and they want to raise their child with the food, clothes, and shelter. With that, I am done. I don't have to describe all many goals. I'm very passionate about leading my life till last breath of life. So even if I feel I'm about to go tomorrow, I am contented with what I have thought. So I will live my life by design, and I have got all the power to do anything, and I'm unstoppable, unbreakable, and unshakable. With that, over to the picture. I'm really grateful for all the speakers of RYB, all the people who have inspired me by putting their Facebook page. post, and also all the speakers of RYB, and special gratitude to Karthik sir. With that, thank you very much.
Thank you, amazing, great. बहुत सही किसी ने कहा है कि लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, लहरों से डरकर नौका कभी किसी की पार नहीं होती, और कोशिश करने वालों की कभी भी हार नहीं होती. I really salute your vision, Dr. M.K. Shivani. Amazing, great.